Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to show you how we can multiply numbers in Microsoft Excel without a calculator. So let's get started. So guys, in the first step, left click on a cell where we would like to place the result of your calculation. For example, if I'd like to multiply these numbers here to 9 by 2, I would like to place the result here in the cell D3 next to it. So what you want to do is enter the equal sign or icon here into that cell, and after that simply enter the code of the first cell you would like to multiply, which in this case it would be B3 for number 9, and after that enter the asterisk icon, and after that type in the code for the second cell, which in this case here would be C3, and press enter. There you go. That's the calculation. 9 multiplied by 2 makes 18. So Excel has done a great job here. Not worse than a common calculator. So guys, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.